Well, not exactly how I want to start this episode of the build, but what happened?
It failed.
It failed?
It did.
Well, that sucks. So, still can't quite legally drive the car on the street until we get proper inspection so we can get state registration. Right now we are still driving it on the Texas registration, which is not quite right, but working on it. So 2 things it failed for. First off, tires. Tires are hard as a rock, older than dirt. I mean, they are just nasty. There's a little bit of tread wear in the back. I think there's a nail in one of them.
I think there is.
And so for starters, the belts are showing. And that's not good. I mean, hey, it made it home. But the second issue that we failed for is we do have an intermitting headlight. It's not the high beams, it's the normal driving light, but it keeps going on and off. So while looking at it, if I can get this hood open, while looking at it, and after I got to checking on it, that's dry rotting. I mean, it probably will. Yeah.
No good.
That's not good at all. So, in order to fix that, we went on the lovely Amazon and purchased a couple toys. Ceramic 9005, 9006 connectors. So I'm going to be soldering these on. Got all 4 for the full headlights. We also picked up the Amazon special Anyhow.
What a name.
The
Anyhow.
Anyhows LED headlights. We do have LED reverse lights, switchbacks for the front turn signals. We have the stop brakes and turn signals for the rear, a third brake light, and some very special switchbacks. So the way the switchback works is the light will naturally be on white, but when you put on turn signal, it will flash amber on and off. These showed up completely ass backwards. They stay amber 24/7, but flash white with the turn signal. So no good. I actually have a plan for these later. I'll get to that. They'll stay there. A few lovely tools to get this job done. A beautiful little soldering iron. All right, let's start tearing the headlights and taillights apart and get this thing bright. Wait. Nope. This one. I should have started with the easy one first. Okay. Third brake light. Done. I said done. Done. All right, we're done.
One down?
No,
How many to go?
No, we're done.
We're done?
No. I don't know, like 8, 9. Pop them in. They only go one way. Ta-da! This one is as simple, but not as simple. This one being your turn signal, it's going to be just a little bit trickier. You do have to put an inline resistor in to make it think there's an actual incandescent bulb in there. Wait. It's like a USB. You always get it wrong. Okay, I do know That's going to be your ground. Now the real question is to figure out which one is the turn signal. All right, it's not yellow. All right, so yellow is my turn signal. Flip. Just like that. So, if you ever see the turn signals with LEDs flashing really fast, it's because they don't have the resistor on there. Super simple to put in. Takes just a few minutes. Just do it. One side's down, money. Alright, next easiest. Out with the old. Oh no! Alright, stay in there.
Stay.
Why is it fighting me every step of the way? There we go. Okay.
Problem child.
It is a problem, child.
All of our children are problem children, though.
All right. All right, we have to take a short intermission break just to show off Nori's new outfit. She doesn't seem very happy.
Hi,
Nori, do you approve of the taillights? Do you approve?
Yeah.
Where's your shirt say? Free face licks. Do you give face licks? You're gross.
So much face licks.
Where's Cobain? Cobain!
Probably napping. Ming.
Cobain! Cobain. Hey, buddy. What does your shirt say? You are the nap champion.
Oh.
Yeah, you do sleep. Don't lie. Nori. What are you doing, puppy? That's gross. You're gross. Cobain, you're gross too. All right, back to the regular schedule program. Superhero landing. These things have seen better days. I will show you how to clean those up in another video. These headlights used to look just as bad, but now they are fire on the less than fire car. So we're going to do the same to these. It's a more or less permanent solution to your fogging and fading out headlights that after about 3 or 4 months now, I have yet to have a single issue with them going back to fogging or fading over. This is what the side marker normally looks like, and this is what the turn signal looks like. So we'll pop that out. We'll pop this in its place, and yet again, I put it in backwards. Nope, still backwards. There we go. All right, so now we have markers and turn signals. Markers, they automatically go back to white. Got a nice white projector out the face. And when you hit the turn signal, I love it. All 4 brand new ceramic plugs.
Light bright.
Ooh.
Those look so much better.
Twins.
Twins.
All right, to the other side. Okay, according to this fancy, expensive manual, the headlights are torqued to exactly 2 ugga-duggas per bolt. Yeah. 2 ugga-duggas.
2. Okay.
Only 2. Don't do 3 ugga-duggas. Too tight. 2. All right, now that it's gotten a little bit darker out, let's see how these headlights look. Oh, that is amazing. This is why you use the switchbacks instead of just the normal ambers. I mean, that's almost like a headlight on itself. Like, that is just fire. That's what the signal now looks like. All right, give me some low beams. Love it. High beams. Whoo! I'll see you coming from a long ways out. Let's go look at this back end. Give me some brake lights. Whoo! Those are bright. That is insanely bright.
Well, that looks a ton more brighter, safer, better. Hope you enjoyed this fun LED swap today. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And as always, be sure to like and subscribe.